cable car in the city. Going to the mountain.
Okay.
Kaya naman sa city, ano? May cable car ganito.
Sa gitna ng syudad to.
That place is railway. Look, we are from the city, go to the far away, have a big mountain. Highest mountain in Zhangjiajie. It's a 1,500 altitude. So when I go to the top is very comfortable. Okay. Very cool.
So the route is what?
Sino maandar, oh?
Oo. Ayun, wag ka dyan sa may door.
No. Yes.
Ah, yung ano. Raffle doon. Hindi plate.
600
Ay,
kila.
runway. Airport.
There. Mag-ano ka dyan sa city, oh?
Is that the airport? Airport?
Yeah, airport is there.
Zhangjiajie Airport?
Zhangjiajie Airport. People go there. Climbing there.
Sabit ba tayo?
Professional.
Parang mukhang sasabit na parang hindi ah.
Actually, nasa gitna tayo ng dalawang
Oo.
poles.
Ang scaffolding nila, kawayan.
Kawayan, no?
Ang scaffolding nila, oh.
Oh, no. Ano ko nisip.
So, energy lang naman. Atin kayo dito.
Laki ng motor siguro doon sa taas, no? Kasi mahirap paghila nito eh. Nakapits eh. Natural siguro nalig medyo malinis-linis eh.
在天门山流传着6个千古之谜，其一是气候变化等方面，山系
Ang safe ng ladder nila pag aakyat ka. So may cover siya green.
国与古寺的铜像，也只在探险家偶然拍摄的镜头中出现过一次，
Yeah.
神奇不可思议。
Real guard.
其次是曾有人偶然在天门山的原始森林看到独角兽出没，这种动物长得非常接近中国古代流传下来的
Only 8
异兽
persons
头
can be
型。
allowed to be
虽然
there.
此出家法号藏匿在天门山，唱红于大江南北的歌星李娜，1997年到天门山小住1个月后愤怒出家。李娜究竟在天门山感受到了什么？她出家是冥冥中的命运安排，还是茫茫中的佛缘感化？或许只有李娜也说。在这里，有人能看到李娜在天门山顿悟，甚至是薛娜出家的独家历史照片及资料。Find the giveaway to move slowly into the Tianmen Mountain. Now the magnificent scenery by Carter is broad and profound, famous in Buddhist culture and mystical folklore, particularly in Tianmen Mountain. So the 6 old miseries of Tianmen Mountain have been widely circulated floodway on the cliffs.
The cable car will climbing higher, so the whole cable will change the line, change the first line, and then
Oh, we change line.
get
Are
off.
we going
But you
now?
don't get off. This whole cabin will change the line.
Okay.
And then
The Golden Gate picture.
yes. And see, they have a road. This road is from the bottom of the gate go to the bottom of Picture mo kami ni Max.
Wow. Grabe.
You know, the
Ayan,
college daw siya.
Ako na lang. Yung health code mo.
Malapit na sa ano?
Kuro-kuro na rin.
Ayan o. Oo.
Ay, ayaw ko na.
Pass na talaga o. Ito o.
Ay!
Ayaw pa na. Si Sir Elmer! Pumapalayo! Gusto ko nila isigaw. Ay, ayaw ko na tumingin.
Ayan o. Ayan o.
Sana! Sana!
Ay, ayaw ko na. Oh my God! Nakatira ko sa bundok. Meron na makinig ko taas.
Palagyan mo na ang cable car yung bundok niyo.
Yun. Yun o. Yung glass. Kuhan.
Oo, doon tayo. Akin sa glass.
Huwag ka na
May na
tumayo.
tayo.
Huwag ka na tumayo.
Hindi man na ano. Hindi yung tumayo.
Huwag mo idoon sa glass. Pag hindi ka nakatingin sa baba or hindi sa taas. Ibigyan mo rin. Okay na. Ay, mag-birth.
Pwede ko yung akit yan o. Yan gano'n o.
Oh my God! Grabe.
Yung glass.
Sabi niya, diyan lang daw. Sa gigit siya.